KB's birthday celebration. Ang haba ng birthday ni Gabe celebration. Now, we'll try Seda Hotel instead of Soler. We'll try. Gabe, happy birthday! Sobrang celebration. 1 week celebration. Here's Soler. North, and katapat lang ang Seda. There is Seda Hotel. Now here at Seda Hotel, here's the Soler. Katapat lang ang Seda. We'll try Seda Hotel for KB celebration. Happy birthday, Gabe. Dito yata entry. This is our first time to enter Seda. Seda. There is Seda. We're now here at Seda. Oh, may puto bongbong na sila. Oh, puto bongbong. And here is the entrance. Tanong mo nga, bukas mo yung ano nila. Happy birthday, Gabe! Happy birthday! Ayan ang buffet para bukas. There you go. Happy birthday to you. 2101. This is Seda. Katapat lang ng. This is the premier room. Let's see.
Mabatang to eh.
Ha?
Wala eh.
Ha?
Wala eh.
Walang bathtub. Teka lang. Ano na lang? Anong juice ang gusto mo, Lolo? Mango daw. 2 mango pwede. Thank you. So, and dito kami sa VIP lounge. Mamaya 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock may merienda. It's free. And then 5 to 7 may almost dinner na. Cocktails with pasta, salad. So, parang dinner na. So, libre na rin ang dinner natin. Okay. Lalak. May pambata doon yun. Pero maliit lang. Maliit lang ang pool nila. Oh, same.
Wala lang sila water.
Ha?
Wala lang sila water.
You're so pretty, baby.
Why you sit down?
Wait lang.
Wala aircon.
Trey. Baby Trey. Oh,
Pixie, come here. Come here.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Come on, let's go.
Hi, Gabe. Happy birthday. Gabe,
day.
happy birthday. Yay, cookie. Open. Wow, galing. Push. Okay, let's go inside. Ay! Wow! Let's go inside. Wow! Wow, this is... Wow! Yay! Ganda ng room mo. May bathtub. Tignan natin. Uy, baka mahulog yun yan. Asan ba yung bathtub? Wow! There's bathtub here. Yes. let's go out.
Is this my room now?
This is your room. Okay. Dito. Dito tayo sa ano. Mag-picture na lang kayo. Ha? Ayan. Ang layo naman. Oh, you want the mango?
Mango juice.
Mango juice. Anong oras na ba, Manang? 1:50. 1:50. 2 o'clock na pala. Oh, Gabe, you can eat some sandwich. Gabe, you can eat sandwich or... Oh, you look at the burgers. You want the cookies. You want the cookie? You ask for Lola, wait. You want the cookie?
It's a little bit hard.
Baby, happy birthday gift.
Dude.
A gift. I have a gift for you.
Mango cheese sandwich and also a mango juice.
Yung gym dito po ay Oo.
Baba.
Right. Trey.
Say hi.
Hi, Trey. Walk.
Ako.
Walk.
Yan.
Baka wow.
Ayun, sakto lang yung t-shirt niya eh, na mahaba.
Saktong-sakto lang.
Mukhang big boy.
Trey. Come on. Meron yatang, pwede meron pa bang bakante? Pwede dito?
Nice floater.
Si ma'am. Mag-upload yan si ma'am.
Siyempre, napanood mo na. Very good. Oh, Trey. Baby Trey. Malamig ba? Ba't nilalamig yan? Malamig
No,
po.
I can't do that.
Oh, here I am now.
Dapat pala yung... Oo. Dito sa ilalim. Hindi. Yan, dyan. Oo.
Si Kai pinagising ko na.
Nag-gising.
Pinagising ko na si Kai. Hindi na daw kasi yun lang
Happy birthday, Gabe. Okay na. Happy birthday, Diaper.
No, mommy.
You open, bilis. You open.
What is it?
Oh, kasali. Kasali siya, kasali siya. Gabe, you open. You open. No, it's not a diaper.
Are you joking?
It's only a box.
Oh.
It's
It's only
only...
a diaper box.
Oh, tingnan mo yung isa.
It's mommy.
Yes, you open.
Let's open the tape first. There's a tape game. Then help me download the tape.
Trey, oh, you open the box. Trey. Dali mo siya doon. Wait. That one is for Gabe. That one is for Gabe. The box is for Trixie. And this one is...
This is yours.
Oh, this one is for Trixie. Trixie, this is yours.
Yay.
Kai, this is yours. Kai. This is for Trey. Trey.
What is this is for me?
That's you. There's a Gabe. There's a...
What is for me? This one? For
No.
me?
It's Gabe's birthday. The other one. The small one. There's your name. You look for your name.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Look.
This one?
Oh, yes.
Ayaw niya Trey.
Uy. Ayaw niya. Trey. There's your... Gabe. For swimming tomorrow.
Yeah, we're both the same.
Layo na tingin. Layo na tingin.
Who's this?
Trey,
A toothbrush!
The toothbrush. Oh, don't-
I knew. I saw this already.
Yes, don't open this one. Oh. Another one. We're na. Wag na kayo magkalata. Kai, that's yours.
Yeah. Yay!
Yay!
It's
Oh.
the pencil case.
Yes.
Yay! Look, a map.
That's a game mat.
Oh!
That's a color game.
Where's the who's the last one for? That's for me.
Saan sila ate pa?
Nagbibis na. Tapos punta na raw tayo doon. Oh, let's go up na.
What's this?
Pasok nyo na lahat ng kalat nyo. Trey, bigay mo kay Trey yung kanyang ano. Oh, Trey.
That was Spider-Man boyfriend, the bad guy.
Ay, pwede nang itapon yung mga ano. Yaya Bia.
Venom.
That's for swimming.
Venom mask? Yeah.
No,
The-
Hey, let's open this now. This is for three.
It's for... Oh. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
How about Kai? It's yummy.
I got some pasta.
Delivery.
Delivery po.
Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, banana, banana.
Wow, ang sarap. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Ah, wow.
Cheater what you're eating.
I have
Hash brown.
Wow.
waffles,
Asan?
ham, and chocolate croissant.
Wow. Ang that's yummy.
Is eating taho.
Taho. Wow, yummy. Ha?
Sticky rice.
Oh,
Taho, taho.
wow. Gising na si Kakay.
Umakit sila ulit.
Hindi, nagpalit lang. Nagpalit lang. Hi. What will you eat? What do you want to eat, baby? What do you want to eat? I'm not baby.
Kakain kasi. Ay, lolo layo mo muna. Kasi hindi siya niya titigilan.
Oh, picture, baby. Picture.
Yeah, you are missing green and violet. And blue.
Tray, baby. Oh, you eat na, baby.
Lola, more egg daw.
No, that's not good.
Bigger.
Big.
How about champorado you like?
Bigger. Bigger.
Ayan, ayaw niya pa ng ano.
Yung champorado you like?
Bigger.
Tray. Parang ano, nag-iisa sa kapitera. Very good, Trixie. Ah, you say hi. Lolo. Mainit. Pinababad ko nga sa tubig. Ay, Lolo.
It's still hot. Yeah, I'm around 15.
Okay, so I around 15 kilometers and I went over there. So I realized that it is 15 kilometers away over there.
Yeah, that is where Ateneo is around 14 kilometers.
Oh yeah, it's 14 kilometers.
So you have class tomorrow.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get home from this over here around the bowl and there, Kaduna? I think it will take even 15 kilometers. Wait,
From here to
Marikina.
Wow, magic! Magic, baby.
That is Friday.
Is this okay?
Thank you, you say thank you. Wow, thank you.
You're eating pasta? Caterpillar. You're eating caterpillar?
No!
She's not chocolate. Is it yummy?
I'm gonna try some.
Binigay ko, Bigyon.
Yummy.
Quiet for the kids.
Good?
You want a cookie?